Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Kingston College are days away from beginning their defense of the boys' title at the Issa Grace Kennedy Athletics Championship. They are the focus of tonight's Champs preview. They say uneasy is the head that wears the crown, but there were no nerves on display when we visited the Byron Batchelor Athletics Complex located at the Melbourne campus at Kingston College. Among those expected to amass critical points at KC is Boaji Nkrumah, who is already a World Under-20 silver medalist and has been having a stellar season so far. Nkrumah, who turned 19 last month, is in his third year as a team captain.
Well, it's getting closer, nerve-wracking moments, but experience. I'm gonna very clutch, but we've been preparing. All I want to do is to win the champs and to win my event, and that will make my week or the month for me.
Although KC took the corporate area champs title, head coach Leaford Grant had injury concerns to deal with. But while acknowledging that some of the affected athletes will miss champs, he says his team will be represented in all areas. With under a week to go, he says the coaching staff's most important job is to manage the stress brought on by lofty expectations.
What we try to do is champs is a bigger track meet. It's so try to have fun. Explain to them that we have to do what we have been doing week in, week out, and that pressure kind of resolve itself. But once you're at a school like KC, you're always expected to perform. So, we're going to go to church on Sunday. We're going to ensure that we thank Jesus for what we're about to do.
After spending 2 years at KC, Grenadian Isaiah Patrick is looking to end his time at North Street on a high after an injury-plagued 2022 season.
Coming from a long season last year, this season has been going good so far because I've been putting in the work and stuff like that. So it has been long, exhausting, very tiring, but so far so good, and I'm expecting great results, so it's just timing on God.
Second-year Class 2 athlete Kahim Karbi is one of the favorites for the sprint hurdles.
Well, it takes a lot of training, it takes a lot of, I just have to come out here and just do our best. Yeah, brings a lot of pressure, but we are at Kingston College and we're the best. Yes, I'm just going to take home the trophy again.
Ugandan Emmanuel Rotomia is eyeing the 2-4 double as he looks to recover from the disappointment at the corporate area championships where he was hampered due to injury.
It's hard, and it's going to be back-to-back running from Tuesday until Saturday, when camp's going to finish. So it's going to be hard, and you need a lot of confidence in yourself and to make sure you push and do the best for your team and for the school as well.
Live and exclusive coverage of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships will be on TVJ Sports Network, and the One Spot Media with extensive radio coverage on Hits 92 FM.